Today we will talk about a very intense topic which we generally don't talk about. So it's women's health. We neglect our health. हम सबको प्रायोरिटी देते हैं, बस अपने आप को भूल जाते हैं क्योंकि हमें सबको खुश करना होता है, हमें घर भी संभालना होता है, हमें ऑफिस भी संभालना होता है और हमें पावरफुल बनना होता है. I have a very special guest where we will be talking about lot of myths जो हमें लगता है कि सही है but actually वो रियलिटी नहीं है. Welcome Dr. Sonam Jain. Welcome Sonam, and it's my pleasure to have you on my show because as again I said, we all talk about everything but we forget about ourselves. So Sonam, मैं चाहूँगी कि सबसे पहले आप अपने आप को इंट्रोड्यूस करें. आप यहाँ पर बाय चॉइस हैं और it just happened as a like it's a destiny.
Okay, wonderful. So I think it was destined for me.
Wow.
It wasn't that it was a choice as a student. I was a commerce student and I come from a space of going to Delhi University, Sri Ram College of Commerce. But then someone very close in my family had fallen sick and we were not able to understand what is happening. And I myself was an obese child.
Oh,
and,
is it?
Absolutely. I came from a time when body shaming was not a term. But now when I look back, I was actually body shamed. I was an overweight child, never could understand the relationship between food and my body shape. Only academics kept making me thinking everything is okay until I realized something is not falling in place. You know, I had started hating food and I was only eating papaya throughout.
Oh gosh.
And that's when I changed my line. I decided I have to get into nutrition and that's when I studied nutrition. And I did my studies in nutritional science and modern nutrition and in Ayurveda.
Wow. So it's absolutely okay and you can change your body anytime because as she said, she was overweight. Can you believe? I can't believe. So let's dive into the conversation. Sonam, मैं ये जानना चाहती हूँ कि there are a lot of females, right? Who feels that not eating is a solution to be fit. So, do you think it's a myth or it's a reality?
Well, sadly, social media has made a fact कि जो पतला है वो ही fit है.
That's actually a myth, I would say.
If we see a thin girl, तो हम सोचते हैं कि she is the fitter one versus somebody who's slightly overweight. So all of us, especially the women gender, as you know, we are always under the pressure to fit in the height weight scale on the Google कि इतना height है तो इतना weight होना चाहिए. Nobody explains कि what is your age, what are your stress levels, what kind of life you are living, whether you are a working woman, housewife, what kind of medical conditions you have. So how is your height deciding what should be your weight?
Right. So as per you, what is if I have to define a healthy woman, how do you define a healthy woman?
Okay. So Simran, I as a person also practice spirituality. I mean 60% of me is a spiritual person.
Wow.
Okay. So when I mix my studies of modern science, Ayurveda and spirituality, the answer to your question that healthy क्या होता है? Healthy is when a woman especially, she should feel calm mentally and physically. ठहराव.
बहुत ज़रूरी है.
So it has got nothing to do with your weight, with how you look. Mirrors cannot decide whether you are healthy or not.
Right.
So you need to wake up calm, you need to sleep calm, your gut should be calm, which means you should pass motion every single day. When we store emotions inside, it also affects our health. So in simply put it across, जितनी भी ladies आज ये सुन रही हैं अपने आप से एक question पूछें कि क्या मेरे को ठहराव feel होता है physically and emotionally.
That's
if
important.
that you feel, then you are 80% a healthier woman. Of course, the weight, the medical conditions are a separate part which can be worked upon a lifestyle basis.
Right.
But if you are the most thinnest, good looking, hot looking person, but ठहराव नहीं है, ना ही आपके lifestyle में, ना ही आपके सोच में, ना काम में, ना खाने के timings में, you are not a healthy person.
Wow. In such beautiful words you have defined it so simply. हम सब एकदम कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं. Another question, सोनम, आप ये बताएं कि 7 बजे के बाद खाना अगर ना खाओ तो ऑटोमेटिकली योर बॉडी बिकम्स healthier.
Correct.
So what is this 7 बजे का फंडा?
So Simran, I by religion is a Jain person. तो जैनिज्म में हमने कभी भी सूर्यास्त which means sunset के बाद खाना नहीं खाया है.
Oh my God.
So even before when I got into this line, I have grown up eating my dinners at 7 p.m. The idea is, as per Ayurveda, as per nature, after the sun sets, our body's urja, which is energy, also dies.
Oh.
So when the urja of my body has gone down with the sunset, whatever I eat, which is even ghia, tori, apple, which are the healthier food groups, वो हमारे पेट में ठंडे और undigested पड़े रहेंगे. Okay?
Oh my.
I will again narrate it. So हमारी जो bodies हैं वो nature के हिसाब से बनी है, which means ideally as humans, sunset के साथ हमारी activities, हमारी ऊर्जा भी
Down
कम हो जानी चाहिए. With the sunrise, we should start eating. So the heaviest meal should be at what time? When the sun is at the peak, which is 12 noon to 2 p.m.
Oh.
That is the time जब आपकी body की ऊर्जा, the heat, the metabolic rate is highest.
Very high.
Sadly, in the urban cities, the lifestyle is becoming more modernized in terms of late nights, call centers, the jobs demands you to work late night, or you are working between two different countries. You know, there are students जो इंडिया में हैं but Canada पढ़ रहे हैं,
Right.
तो उनको पूरी रात पढ़ना पड़ता है. Imagine the damage that is happening to their neuro system, to their emotional journey and to their aging. देखो ultimately women को 40 के बाद menopause के बाद aging पे काम करना है. We are not talking about small size, medium size, large size. We are talking about again your स्थिरता, which means aging and menopause. तो अगर आप nature के against होके lifestyle जिएंगे तो damage तो होगा. But of course we can't expect कि अब आप dinners पे मत जाओ. You know, most of the people start their parties at 11 p.m. now. I mean, which is मुझे कोई डिनर पे इनवाइट कर लेता है तो मुझे तो स्ट्रेस हो जाता है कि ओह कैसे जाऊँ मैं. यू नो आई टेल माई सेल्फ मेरा नाइट सूट टाइम हो गया, आई कांट कम, राइट. बट now what I say is there is a solution.
So what is the solution?
Correct.
Right.
So the solution is, especially for corporate people, play by 5:2, which means 5 days in a week you try to be clean. 2 days you may do late nights, which means कि अगर 3 बजे भी हम सो रहे हैं, 4 बजे भी सो रहे हैं, and that includes your alcohol, your heavy meals, your processed food, तो 2 दिन गड़बड़ करके again 5 days go clean.
So it's okay to have that kind of cycle if required.
If required, you have to tweak.
All right.
Yeah.
So that's okay to
That's
do
okay, but in terms of knowledge, every person, every woman, every mother should know कि मुझे कोशिश करके अपने घर में एक holistically idea concept बनाना चाहिए कि मेरे घर के बच्चे, बूढ़े लोग, especially the younger kids and the senior citizens should wrap up their meals by 7. क्योंकि senior citizens के भी digestive system slow हो चुके हैं.
Right.
बच्चों के बन रहे हैं. So ये दो एज ग्रुप सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट है जहाँ पे एटलीस्ट उन लोगों का तो आप डिनर 7 PM 7:30 तक क्लोज कर दो.
So Sonam, I have a question because आजकल क्या हो रहा है कि बच्चे स्कूल से आते हैं, right? The moment they come back by 3:30,
Correct.
they eat, they have different classes.
Yes.
So what I have seen personally, like I have a lot of students, so they come back by 8 o'clock from their classes.
Yes.
And as per you, they should eat like by 7ish. So what is the
Correct.
solution for this
That's
particular
fine.
situation?
That's fine. Again, as I said, हमें realistic होके चलना पड़ेगा. We can't go by the textbooks all the time. So अगर बच्चा 8 बजे घर आ रहा है, आप 8 बजे डिनर दो. Now my next sharing of knowledge is कि आप क्या खा रहे हो, that is also very important. तो अगर आप 8 बजे बच्चे को खाना दे रहे हो, तो what you are giving. Now there are two options. Are you giving them fried rice and noodles, or you're giving them a high protein diet?
Okay.
So that even if the child eats dinner at 8:30 or 9, at least the body can take out some nutrition, and you're not just giving processed food and maida food because बच्चा जल्दी खा लेता है.
Right.
Right?
So
you have to
another-
play around what kind of meal prep you're doing for the child, knowing कि आज मेरा बच्चा हफ्ते में रोज तो 8 बजे नहीं आएगा, शायद 3 दिन 4 दिन 8 बजे आ रहा है, तो उन दिनों पे आप you can give them more of soups and vegetables and more of a healthier version of meal.
Okay.
जिस दिन जल्दी खा रहा है उस दिन अगर आप बच्चे को मैगी खाना है, you know, you can't take away the junk food. We've all grown up eating Maggies and chips, right?
Unfortunately, yes.
Unfortunately. So you have to play around. You can't be like कि ऐसे again 5:2. You know, you can't do 100%, but at least just create some balance.
Right. So I have a query. I have a question actually from one of our viewers. So she is a working woman. Now she comes back by 8 o'clock and she has to cook.
Yeah.
So she says that by the time I come back, I'm starving.
Yeah.
But I can't eat.
Yeah.
I have to cook.
Yeah.
Now, what is the easiest way for her?
Yeah.
Because by the time she cooks,
Yeah.
she says that I don't feel like eating,
Correct.
and I don't eat.
Correct.
And in the morning, again, she gets up with
Yeah.
fatigue,
Yeah.
all that,
Yeah.
not the calm mind which you
Yes.
mentioned. So, what is the
You know,
solution
this
for
is
that?
such a realistic example of so many of my clients. So many. You know, there are clients who are staying in Noida and they're coming to Gurgaon. They are bankers.
Again, traveling. Yep.
So, and it is a reality as a working woman. आपको ऑफिस भी देखना है and घर जाके खाना भी बनाना है, राइट? एंड देन खाना बनाने के बाद आप इतना थक जाते हो कि आपकी अंदर की ऊर्जा खत्म हो जाती है कि अब मैं क्या खाऊं.
Exactly.
अब आप खाली पेट या आपने चिप्स बिस्किट थोड़ा बहुत कुछ भी गड़बड़ स्नैकिंग करके आप सो गए तो एक तो नींद खराब, आपकी स्लीप क्वालिटी गई,
Right.
आपका हार्मोनल इम्बैलेंस बढ़ा, सुबह आप एंग्शियस उठोगे, देयर विल बी दिस सॉर्ट ऑफ हेवीनेस इन द चेस्ट
Yes.
कि व्हाई एम आई वेकिंग अप विद दिस क्राइंग फीलिंग, लो फीलिंग, बट वो रेस में तो फिर लग जाएंगे सुबह उठते ही.
And they have no idea why they are feeling
and
that
most
way.
of them don't even pass motion, you know, constipated. पता ही नहीं है कि पेट कब साफ हो रहा है. मतलब मैं आपको रियल एग्जांपल दे रही हूँ. मेरी कितनी वर्किंग वुमेन क्लाइंट्स हैं जिनसे जब ये क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता है, व्हाट टाइम डू यू पूप, दे से देयर इज नो फिक्स टाइम.
So unhealthy.
करेक्ट. सो अब एंड ये सैडली एक कल्चर है कि
right.
एक वुमेन को ही आके देखना पड़ता है. सो लेट्स नॉट विक्टिमाइज इट. दिस इज व्हाट इट इज. व्हाट इज टू बी डन?
Right. That's
So
what.
now
we
what
have
is to be done that this lady or all those who are going through this kind of a timing, आप घर आते हुए on the way while you are coming to your home, you make sure you eat an apple or you drink some liquid. Now this liquid could be buttermilk, coconut water, or make a डब्बा in the morning जिसमें सारे nuts हैं.
Okay.
मखाने, बादाम, सारी गिरी जितनी antioxidants हैं, walnuts,
Alright.
भाड़ के बुने चने, they are so full of protein and you know
Good for you.
the good urja which we want to generate. Okay, or maybe some protein bars if you can have them, Threptin biscuits. ठीक है, घर की बनी मठरी खा लो, the non fried one or the baked one, but you should have
A
a
box.
snack always in your bag. Do not enter house starving, and this is both for males and females to be honest. जब हम भूखे घर घुसते हैं हम गुस्से में भी घुसते हैं.
Actually.
और उस वक्त सीधा हाथ भुजिया के डब्बे में जाएगा या चाय के साथ रस दे दो, चिप्स दे दो और वो खाना बिल्कुल
खत्म
end
हो
तक.
जाएगा.
So the lady should ideally can take a concept of कि I will do intermittent fasting, which means I will not have food after 8:30 p.m. I will have some light snack while I'm coming towards the office.
Right.
ठीक है. So these kind of things needs to be done. और हफ्ते में 3 दिन they can just have soups.
Okay.
You know, so again the thing is कि हमने body पे load नहीं डाला.
Right.
Now let's say किसी वजह से आपको 9:30 डिनर करना ही पड़ रहा है और आप 11 बजे सो रहे हो, कोई गैप नहीं है, ठीक है, आपको सुबह इतना हैवी फील होगा, राइट? यू विल नॉट फील लाइट बिकॉज खाना डाइजेस्ट नहीं हुआ
नहीं
है.
हुआ.
सो देन इन दैट केस प्लीज मेक योर ब्रेकफास्ट वेरी लाइट,
Okay.
क्योंकि पेट को हमें वो स्पेस तो देनी है ना डाइजेशन के लिए.
So basically, you have to balance. Like
Balance.
if you're eating late, so dinner. If you're having a
heavy,
like heavy
dinner and a late dinner.
so you can have a light breakfast.
Yes.
And if you're having a light dinner, you
Yes.
can have a heavy
Yes,
breakfast.
but do not skip a meal. Lot of people skip.
Right.
And सिर्फ चाय कॉफी. There are people जो 1-1, 2-2 बजे तक दोपहर में सिर्फ ब्लैक कॉफी ही पी रहे हैं.
Yes, and then acidity.
Acidity,
thing
caffeine,
happens
and the withdrawal symptoms which leads to anxiety. You know, women are under so much of emotional pressure which they don't understand कि उनको समझ नहीं आता कि हमें हर समय गुस्सा क्यों आ रहा है.
Exactly. I mean, you see all the females there, they're just
Snapping
upset.
out.
Exactly.
Yeah.
About like small things. Sometimes
Simran,
they're
I'll
taking
tell you,
out.
I have a client in
kids.
UK.
Yeah.
She is 40, very well established woman, corporate. She's a single parent, running throughout, and she has a beautiful daughter of 7 years old. She called me परसों. She said, सोनम, वो मेरी बेटी मुझे आके ना ऐसे बोलती है मम्मा मम्मा मम्मा. She said, I get so irritated. because you know her again the calmness, the balance has gone down. She's only consuming black coffee till a point क्योंकि टाइम नहीं है तो फटाफट ब्लैक कॉफी पी लो, वेट लॉस करना है, वेट लॉस करना है. इतना कैफीन जब अंदर जाएगा वो एक्स्ट्रा एनर्जी कहाँ निकलेगी?
So does it actually make you thin, black coffee? Or I mean, I really want to know because there are a lot of people,
Yeah.
you know, they say black coffee का shot ले लो.
Bullet coffee with ghee.
So does it work?
See, okay, black coffee can act as a fat burner, okay, but it cannot be that magic pill कि सर दर्द हुआ और सैराडोन खाया और सर दर्द चला गया.
Okay.
Black coffee cannot only fetch you weight loss. You have to do everything right.
Okay.
Which means अगर मैं ब्लैक कॉफ़ी पी रही हूँ दिन में 2 बारी, मेरे वर्कआउट भी करती हूँ, मैं वेट्स भी उठा रही हूँ, मैं खाना भी क्लीन खा रही हूँ, इट कैन नॉट बी राइट कि हफ्ते में 3 दिन मैं अल्कोहल पी रही हूँ रात को बट सुबह तो ब्लैक कॉफ़ी पिया ना.
So it has to be balanced.
It has to be everything, you know, it can't be only one thing I'm doing right, so why am I not losing weight?
Right.
But yes, there is no harm in consuming black coffee, but again a beautiful example I give you. If a woman is going through menopause or is a person जो ओवर थिंकर हैं, एंक्शियस बाय नेचर हैं, दे शुड अवॉइड बिकॉज टू मच ऑफ ब्लैक कॉफ़ी कैन इंक्रीज दिस कैरेक्टर इन देम.
Okay.
यू नो, सो एज पर आयुर्वेदा हमारी बॉडी वात पित्त कफ
Right.
होती है. तो जब हमने आयुर्वेदा पढ़ा तो वात पित्त कफ से हम इंसान का कैरेक्टर भी
जज करते हैं.
तो मैं आपको एक छोटा सा एग्जांपल देती हूँ. बहुत सारी लेडीज़ को एक कंप्लेंट रहती है कि मेरे हस्बैंड ना रिएक्ट ही नहीं करते, जब गुस्सा आता है सो जाते हैं, कुछ बोलते ही नहीं है, देखो यू नो ही इज जस्ट स्लीपिंग.
ये तो अच्छी बात है.
Whereas a female, you'll see 90% of the female, they get agitated.
Yes.
You know, they will get hyper because the energy is not going out. Overthinkers. A man will not overthink. आपने बोला A for apple, he'll like, हाँ, A for apple. A woman will keep thinking. Why for apple? When A for apple? What color apple?
It can be different, yes.
Now, the thing is, we should not judge both the genders, or even only in set of women. There are variety of women. You know, some are very
Absolutely.
warm. You need to understand a woman who's overthinker. उसका वात दोष ज़्यादा है. वात दोष मतलब होता है कि आपकी बॉडी में हवा ज़्यादा है, तो वात हवा की तरह हिलती है, तो थॉट्स हिल रहे हैं. सो दीज लेडीज, एंड ये आप सब लोग सेल्फ एनालिसिस करना कि जो वात दोष के लोग होते हैं वो ओवर थिंकर होते हैं, वो बहुत तेज तेज चलते हैं, दे हैव मोर गैस इन देयर बॉडी, दे ब्लोट मोर,
Okay.
ओके, दे आर एंक्शियस. जो कफ दोष होता है,
So is it? I'm sorry to interfere. ये जो वात दोष आपने बताया, तो is it because of that they are taking a lot of coffee or caffeine or they're not eating properly? होता क्यों है ये? By birth है और
सो बाय बर्थ
Okay.
हमारी बॉडीज नेचुरली 2 प्रकृति की दोष में अब ज़्यादा अबव होती है और एक में कम होती हैं.
Okay.
तो अगेन आई गिव यू अ स्मॉल एग्जांपल. यू आर आल्सो अ मदर, राइट? सो बच्चे होते हैं आपके घर में, आपके 2 बच्चे हैं. एक बच्चा है जिसको एक टॉय दिया, वो वहीं बैठा है, 2 घंटे वो वहीं बैठ के खेलता रहेगा. दूसरा बच्चा बिस्तर पे कूदे जा रहा है, कूदे जा रहा है, कूदे जा रहा है.
Absolutely.
Right?
हाँ, वो उसका नेचर.
हम बोलते हैं यार ये इसको देखो बैठा ही रहता है, इसको देखो
कूदते
कूदता ही
रहता
रहता है. नाउ दिस इज दोष.
Oh.
The Vata dosh child, the hyper child,
Will do.
the Kapha
Okay.
dosh child is like an elephant, stable.
Wow.
3 big meals खाएगा, done. जब मर्जी सो जाएगा. The Vata is always hyper. रात को सोते हुए लात मारेगा. So by birth we all are born with 1 dosh more and 2 dosh less. हमारे में तीनों दोषाज होते हैं. अब आप उसको till the
Balance.
age of 9
Okay.
ही चेंज कर सकते हो.
Oh, we missed it.
यस. उसके बाद आपको उसको हैंडल करना ही पड़ेगा ऑल योर लाइफ. सो आई एम अ कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ अ वात एंड अ पित्त दोष. पित्त मीन्स फायर
Okay.
and a vat dosh. Okay, so we all know, so when I'm behaving certain manner, I know why I'm behaving.
Okay, you are
But,
aware.
yes, but you can fix it with the help of Ayurvedic lifestyle. You can nullify, you can bring it down.
Wow.
You don't have to live with it throughout. बहुत लोग तो आइडेंटिफाई नहीं कर पाते ना.
Exactly.
और हम टैग्स लगा देते हैं, इसको देखो हमेशा ही गुस्सा होता रहता है, इसको देखो बैठ ही नहीं सकता, इसको देखो कितना स्लो है. और देयर आर पीपल जो दिन में सिर्फ 3 बिग मील्स खाएंगे, और देयर आर विमेन जिनको हर 2 घंटे में कुछ कुछ खाने को चाहिए.
Right.
सो दीज आर ऑल वात पित्त कफ.
Oh, that's really
And it's
good
beautiful,
thing.
I'm
It's like
telling
so
you.
beautiful.
You
I
stop-
mean, it's so exciting to know more about it because Sonam, हमारे जैसे like I have done NLP. So
Yes.
हमें NLP में ये बताया जाता है that everybody is different.
Yes.
You can't judge a person because every person is different.
Yes.
He or she will behave differently in the same situation.
Yes.
So this is so interesting.
Yes.
So probably it can relate.
This is ancient, this
Asian,
is modern.
this is modern,
Absolutely.
right? And again, as you said, hyperactive. So there also we learn how our minds
Yes.
actually, what we eat.
Yes.
The surrounding matters, the culture matter, where you are from,
Yes.
the upbringing,
Yes.
everything matters.
Yes.
Right. So my next question to you is, there are a lot of females, right, who thinks that there is nothing, as in everything is perfect, right? But still they feel very, very anxious, they're not happy. So is it because of that what, or is it because of their food habit, or what it is? I mean,
So Simran, you know, this could be a reason of multiple factors.
okay.
पहले की औरतें तो शायद अपने पे इतना ध्यान भी नहीं देती थी कि वो ये सोचें कि हमें महसूस कैसा हो रहा है.
I agree.
You know, our
If we
mothers,
talk about mothers,
they
yes,
never
they
even
don't
they
know.
didn't even figure out what's happening with them.
They used to crib.
They just woke up and did everything and slept. They never paid attention to what their bodies telling them.
Right.
Now we, this generation, the current generation between 35 to 55, this current one, you know, we're trying to understand what our bodies are saying. Now, of course, social media has also done some good work about inner child healing, the food that we eat.
Yes.
So I come from a space that what you eat today will reflect tomorrow both on your thought process and on your physical appearance.
I agree.
Okay? तो खाने की भी ऊर्जा होती है. तो जो ये anxious feel होता है, now this can be because of multiple reason. आपका childhood, आपकी parenting, आपने कैसा खाना खाया, कौन सी country में आप बड़े हुए हो, cold region or hot region. So a person who's born, let's say an Indian who was born in Canada versus an Indian who was born in India will have a very different body type.
All right.
And a very different thought process also. Okay. Also a lot of women, you know, they go through a lot of emotional stress. As a woman, our emotional stress directly affects our physical well-being.
It does.
Okay, we are not
Brutally.
capable of handling emotion in a very easy manner. It affects us, to leading to autoimmune disorders, PMSing, menopausals, or chronic depression. Okay, also anxiousness also travels genetically in family, which is sad. People don't understand it. We have something called genetic trauma.
Is it?
And it travels from family to family, and it can, so again I'm saying obesity genes, genetic trauma genes, all can be, the chain can be broken. So when I take my new clients, I always ask them, do you come from overweight parents?
All right.
Because it is
Obviously, it's responsible.
if there are two overweight people making a child, the child will have higher
That's-
chances of being an overweight child. Similarly, the trauma, similarly the anxiousness. Now, coming from my space of nutrition, how can food help? Also, because I'm an Ayurvedic practitioner, we use a lot of herbs.
Right.
Like ashwagandha, brahmi, shilajit, shatavari, combinations of multiple herbs, magnesium, okay, to just give them in smaller doses, and they start seeing that, okay, they're feeling better. Also with age, you know, we are so deficient on our basic vitals, vitamin D, iron, hemoglobin, and we don't get our blood test done. तो जब हम ये सारे वाइटल्स चेक कराते हैं, आपकी जर्नी पे काम करते हैं, तो बिना साइकेट्रिक या स्लीपिंग पिल्स पे जाने से या डिप्रेशन की पिल्स पे जाने से आप ये नेचुरल चीज़ें करके ना आप उस चीज़ से बाहर आ सकते हो. एंड सिमरन, मेरी सबसे बड़ी विक्ट्री क्या रहती है, नो, व्हेन माय क्लाइंट्स कॉल एंड टेल मी, सोनम हम 6 साल में पहली बार इतने अच्छे से सोए.
Wow.
You know, I can feel for them because I myself was going through a phase when I was not able to put myself to sleep because I was going through an emotional disturbance. You know, my brain was active, my tummy was active. You know, entire night I would be awake, but I knew that if I will not sleep, my aging will fast, my neuro system will go off, my tummy will go off.
So what did you do? Like
So, of
when
course.
you were, I mean, of course, see, every woman goes
Yes.
through that
Yes.
journey where she feels, I mean, she asks a lot of questions to herself. She feels defeated. She feels
Yeah.
like giving up.
Yeah.
So, is there a list of food where she can eat and she can feel better?
100%.
Wow.
100%.
Would love to know
There are
that.
two parts to the question that you asked. So first I'll tell you what can be done if you're going through an emotional disorder. Now this could be because of work pressure, or let's say you're insomniac, you're not able to sleep. And sleep
yeah.
is very, 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 very important. Okay. Now if you're not able to sleep, my first thing is do not take sleeping pills. Okay. Now there are different herbs that can be given. Of
Okay.
course, once we do a customized talk with every person, we give them different herbs. So I took help of certain Ayurvedic herbs. I did a lot of pranayam, because when you do alom vilom, when you do breath work, you slow down your body. And when I slow down my body, my hormones come back in balance. My estrogen comes back in balance. The quality of the food. I stopped eating stale food. That means fresh food cooked daily, eaten daily.
Okay.
So अगर आप leftovers खाओगे या ठंडा खाना खाओगे, it will also increase your anxiousness.
Oh.
So abroad, lot of people do batch cooking on the weekends and they
Yes.
keep eating it. So they are more prone to anxiousness. They're more hyper.
But in offices also,
Yes.
like, so
if
what
it is
the
possible,
solution?
see, देखो, अभी तो the world has become so modernized. You have these kitchens, you have these good food kitchens. They supply you fresh food. So try to avoid not to have stale food if you're going through, at least for that phase. ईट कुक्ड फूड, कच्चा खाना मत खाओ. अगेन देखो, अगर आप कच्चा खाना खा रहे हो, मान लो आप गए फैंसी रेस्टोरेंट, आपने वो फैंसी रॉ सैलेड, इतने सारे कच्चे पत्ते खाए आपने, आपकी एंग्शियसनेस बढ़ जाएगी. वर्सेस आपने कुक्ड वेजिटेबल्स खाई जो शायद थोड़ी कैलोरीज में ज़्यादा थी, बट वो कुक्ड थी एंड वार्म थी.
But it says that
You will
the salad
digest
is
it
good,
better.
raw food is good.
Raw
Is
food
it
is
good?
not good for people who are going through anxiousness or Vata dosh.
Oh.
And especially at night if you eat raw food.
There
so
are
the
lot
tip,
of people,
the
they eat
biggest tip
salads.
is, so the biggest tip is stop eating raw food. Just make sure the food is cooked or steamed and warm. ठंडा खाना नहीं खाना
अच्छा.
है. Okay. And of course there are multiple practices that should be done. Walking, some sort of exercising. So when you exercise, the blood flows. Right? Make sure your vitals are good. Vitamin D, B12 ये बहुत underrated है. मैं जितने लोगों से पूछती हूँ, आप vitamin D लेते हैं?
नहीं, कोई भी नहीं लेता.
तो क्या बोलेंगे, नहीं घर में रखी है,
पर हम लेते हैं.
कभी कभी ले लेते हैं.
Oh gosh.
Right? I said you can't do that. You have to take it because Indian bodies are low on vitamin and it's very, very important, and you will see the difference. You will see the difference. So this is part one. Now part two, what you asked me, Simran, we did a beautiful podcast on only menopause.
Wow.
Okay. Now what you said, defeated, lonely. Ideally, what is menopause? A woman works they work multi-folds. Let's put it this way.
Absolutely, yeah.
Okay. The nature has designed itself in a manner that the nature wants the woman to go slow after 45, 46.
Okay.
The estrogens are going down, which are our warriors. वो हमारे warriors हैं कि हमें खुश रखते हैं. जब वो एस्ट्रोजन हमारे ख़त्म होने शुरू हो गए, जो एक आदमी या मेन की बॉडी में नहीं होता है, वो उनके till the end their hormones are same as they were in the starting. A woman hormone starts depleting, okay, which leads to sulking feeling, hot flushes, बैठे बैठे dip हो गया, बैठे बैठे आंसू निकल रहे हैं, स्वेटी हैंड्स, कंपन हो रही है. तो 45 के बाद जब हमें ये सब चीज़ें हो रही हैं, या हमें ऐसा लगता है कि मैंने अपनी लाइफ में क्या हासिल करा, चाहे वो एक हाउसवाइफ है या वो एक बहुत अकम्पलिश्ड कॉर्पोरेट वुमेन है या वो एक मदर है, कोई भी रोल प्ले कर रही है, बॉडी तो नेचुरली वो सल्किंग फीलिंग कर रही है. बॉडी आपको क्या बोल रही है, नेचर आपको क्या बोल रहा है, गो स्लो, रेस्ट. बट वो फीलिंग हमें क्यों आती है? देखो अभी तो वो पैटर्न ख़त्म हो गया कि जब एक औरत 50 की होती है तो उसके बच्चों की शादियां हो चुकी हैं, वो एक सास बन चुकी है, तो वो फीलिंग आती थी उन लोगों को कि अब हम अकेले हो गए, मेरे बच्चे मेरे नहीं रहे. यू नो हाउ इंडियन सोसाइटी इज ऑलवेज फंक्शनड कि मुझे कोई प्यार नहीं करता, मैंने सबके लिए सब कुछ करा. सो दिस इज ऑल्सो हाउ द बॉडी इज डिजाइंड. नाउ व्हाट डू? You have to tell yourself that universe or the nature is telling me to slow down and start doing lot of self love. अब self love सिर्फ self love बोलने का नहीं है. Eat good nourished food. सेल्फ लव का मतलब यही नहीं है एक बड़ा सा मैदे वाला पिज्जा ऑर्डर करो और आइसक्रीम खा कि भाई डॉक्टर सोनम ने बोला है सेल्फ लव करना है तो लेट्स मी.
I like this, so I am eating this.
Yeah, so you have to eat good nourished food. Every time you eat food, now tell yourself this is gonna nourish me.
Wow.
Now I'll tell you another example. Just came from the maida. People who consume a lot of maida and sugar, processed food, you get an immediate glucose spike, sugar spike. You feel nice, and then there is a withdrawal.
And then
And
you
then
feel
you
anxious,
feel more anxious.
low.
And then your weight is up, you go in the guilt, then you puke, you don't eat, you become anorexic, or you're going to gym to punish yourself. Not justified. आपको खाना है, आप उसको again the timing of that मैदा, the frequency, and add lot of greens and vegetables with it, fiber, ताकि glycemic spike ना होए. You know, बहुत सारे हमारे इमोशंस हमारे खाने के ग्लाइसेमिक स्पाइक से रिलेटेड होते हैं. कैसे हमें कुछ खाते ही
एकदम एनर्जी.
अच्छा, मैं आपको बोलूंगी इसके बाद हॉट चॉकलेट फज है ना, या बोलूंगी इसके बाद मैंने आपके ना एक काढ़ा बनाया, यू लाइक लेट इट बी,
आप पी लो.
so you know how our visuals and the smell, just with the idea our mouth starts generating saliva.
Yes.
And this is all connected. You know, you can't isolate anything. This is all connected.
Wow. It's so interesting.
Yeah.
I mean,
Yeah.
I mean, a healthy diet. What is a healthy diet looks like for a working woman?
करेक्ट. सो यू नो, मैं आपको 5 टॉप टिप्स दूंगी जो मैं सारी वर्किंग वुमेन को देती हूँ. उसमें आपको ज़्यादा दिमाग नहीं लगाना. ये रूल्स हैं.
Okay.
कि आपका नाश्ता सुबह हमेशा गरम नाश्ता होना चाहिए, वार्म ब्रेकफास्ट, विच मीन्स दूध चोकोस नहीं खाना है, ठंडी कच्ची ब्रेड नहीं खानी है.
ठीक है.
गरम नाश्ता मीन्स गरम पराठा, गरम उपमा, गरम दलिया, maybe omelette and toast. It has to be warm.
Warm. Anything.
Anything.
Warm. But it has to be warm.
Warm.
Okay.
Okay. Second, make sure कि आपकी 30 से 40 मिनट मूवमेंट है, वॉकिंग मूवमेंट.
Okay.
टहलना
throughout the day.
Throughout the day.
Okay.
अगर आप अलग में बहुत ही हाइपर एक्टिव बिजी वुमेन का आपको स्केड्यूल बता रही
Right, right.
कि आप कॉल्स वॉक पे लो, आप वॉशरूम वॉक पे जाइए, आप स्टेयर्स यूज करिए, कैलोरी बर्निंग मोड में रहिए, जस्ट वॉक अराउंड. वॉकिंग इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर योर पेल्विक, द मेन एरिया. ओके. थर्ड, आपको स्लीप इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. तो अगर आप वर्क फ्रॉम होम कर रहे हैं, जो आजकल बहुत लोग को मिल रहा है, I tell them take a nap of 20 to 30 minutes in the afternoon. You will start seeing lot of changes in your body.
Okay.
Do not shy away from the fact. Ayurveda clearly suggests that napping for a woman in the afternoon is very important. So for example, आपके लिए, let's say you're on the, you know, you're in the car, you're traveling from one place to another. आपको पता है 1-1.5 घंटे का drive है. Please put your phone on silent. 20 minutes, just take a nap. You will see the entire blood work. You will feel so much better.
I'll surely try.
It is very important. Sleep is very important. Fourth, your multivitamin. So मैं हमेशा ये सबको बोलती हूँ, आपका जो बर्थडे मंथ है उसको फिक्स कर लो ब्लड टेस्ट के लिए.
Okay.
हम हमेशा अपने ब्लड टेस्ट पोस्टपोन करते रहते हैं, और हमारी इंडियन मेंटालिटी क्या है, कुछ निकला नहीं, पैसे वेस्ट हो गए, सब कुछ तो ठीक है.
I know. But I've seen that, like, whenever we talk about this test, so B12, vitamin D, it's a common thing to sun.
Correct.
We are exposed, but not at the time in the morning.
Yes.
Like, I think the moment sun rises, तब से लेके 8 बजे तक का जो होता है, उसी में vitamin D मिलता है. बाकी तो tanning मिलती है. So I think that is impacting.
It is very important. Also हम बचपन में बच्चों को vitamin D इतना regular shots नहीं देते हैं. तो शुरू से ही हम लोग लो रहे हैं, but you can always fix it.
Okay.
So please vitamin D and B12
का tablet.
There are bottles, there are injections, depend किसका कितना low है.
Okay.
Apart from this, magnesium is also very important for a woman. There are 7 types of magnesium. Magnesium glycinide, magnesium citrate, magnesium oxide. इन सब के अलग अलग roles हैं. किसी ये कुछ.
So what is the food where we can actually get highest magnesium effect?
Sadly not in vegetarian diet. And then you have to be very high on non-veg, which again leads to spoiling the urja. You know, I live a plant-based diet, but I do suggest non-veg when my clients ask. But if you go on a very high non-veg diet, it will again generate a lot of negativity in the body. So magnesium and flow should be taken in terms of whatever the doctor is suggesting कि कौन से वाला लेना है. So the fourth point was your blood work and your multivitamins are very important. Okay. And the last is hydration.
Water.
Now there is a theory and art of drinking water. आप एक ही घूंट में सारा पानी पी जाओगे, नहीं चलेगा. You have to sip it आराम से. मैं आपको एग्जांपल देती हूँ. आपके घर में एक पौधा है, आपने सुबह उठ के उस पर पूरी बाल्टी पानी डाल दिया, क्या होगा? The plant will die. आप धीरे धीरे डालते हो ना, इतना ही डालना, मिट्टी इतनी गीली रखना. अब आप सोचो, आपका गट पूरी रात सो के उठा, लोग क्या करते हैं, सुबह ही 2 लीटर पानी पी गए कि हमारा आज का पानी का कोटा पूरा हो गया।
Yes.
आपने डैम्प कर दी उसको।
Oh.
ऑलवेज सिप ओनली 1 glass ऑफ
Water.
lukewarm water in the morning.
Okay.
To
And that
start
has to be sip,
Sipped.
stop, sip. I mean,
Yeah.
like easy. way.
Easy, not like गटक गए काम खत्म। कई लोग उठते ही बिस्तर पे से पूरा एक बॉटल कट 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 2 लीटर हो गया, चलो वॉशरूम गए, फ्रेश हुए, दिन स्टार्ट, सुबह पानी हो गया।
So is it okay? There are a lot of people who have a bed tea
I was
habit.
coming to that
yeah.
only.
So is it okay?
Yeah.
Should we drink water or should we drink bed tea?
First water.
Okay. And
Always
then,
first water.
Okay.
Then whether you are a bed tea person, black coffee person, Americano person, whatever part of the world you live, it's fine.
Okay, that's
But
okay.
first always hot water. Now again for senior citizens, make sure कि आप उस hot water में आधा चम्मच बादाम रोगन या नारियल तेल या जिनको focus problem हो रहा है, बच्चों को एग्जाम्स चल रहे हैं, you know it's like a brain tonic and good fat मिल रहा है, तो उसमें आप आधा चम्मच बादाम रोगन मिला के give it.
Wow.
And again, this is nothing to do with your weight. Nothing to do with your weight. You know, actually nutrition industry इतनी स्मार्ट हो गई है कि कुछ भी बेचने के लिए वो कुछ भी
Overhype बहुत चीजों
तो
को
जैसे
कर
बीच
दिया
में
है.
घी को कल्पित बना दिया गया था, फिर घी को वापस ले आया गया।
कि कच्चा घी. Another question. Yes, thank you so much. There are, I think, is it a myth or a fact कि आप कच्चा घी ऊपर से अगर आप डालते हैं सब्जी में, so it's good for you. रोटी में ऊपर से लगाते हैं तो it's good for you. But if you're cooking with ghee, it's not good.
आपकी नॉलेज बिल्कुल ठीक है, कच्चा घी इज ऑलवेज बेटर।
Okay.
तो बच्चों को फुलके पे, दाल पे वैसे करके लगाएं। ऑलवेज ट्राई टू कुक योर फूड विद मिनिमम ऑयल। ओके, अब अभी तो इतने अच्छे यूटेंसिल्स आ गए हैं, मिट्टी के बर्तन हैं, नॉन स्टिक है, जिसमें आपको बेरली एनी फैट चाहिए टू कुक द फूड।
Right.
सो ट्राई टू कुक योर फूड विद बेसिक बेयर मिनिमम ऑयल। अब चाहे वो ऑलिव ऑयल स्प्रे करके, मस्टर्ड ऑयल स्प्रे करके, घी स्प्रे करके, बिल्कुल कम।
तो कर
उसके ऊपर आप बटर, घी, कच्चा जितना खाएंगे ना उतना उसका बॉडी का एब्जॉर्प्शन बेटर है।
So butter is also okay.
एब्सोल्युटली, लिटिल बिट ऑफ एवरीथिंग इज ओके।
Like पराठे के ऊपर बटर
हल्का
डाल
सा,
के
a little bit of everything is okay, I'm telling you.
Wow.
We should not look, अच्छा tell me one thing सिमरन, कितने सारे लोग gluten free, अभी कितना ना variety, the diet patterns have become like a fashion statement. Oh, you're on what diet? I'm on gluten free, I'm a plant based diet, I'm no milk diet, I'm just not taking any milk products, I'm on no carbs diet.
There
What
are a
is
lot of
this?
things, my God,
Until
and
unless
it gets so
sadly,
confused.
and sadly सिमरन there are some serious cases जहाँ पे medical problems हैं, उन लोगों को ये सब करना पड़ता है, like skin issues में आपको gluten free होना पड़ता है,
Okay.
या PCOD, PCOS में कई जगह हमें carbs and proteins में play करना पड़ता है। बट ये जो फैशन स्टेटमेंट बना ली गई है ना, ये बहुत गलत है। खाने का मतलब ये नहीं था कि आप इस तरीके से उसको अब्यूज करके खाएं। You know, food is like a part of our, it's a fuel.
Daily, yeah.
Yeah, and
I mean,
you,
if
you
we
need
not
to,
eat,
you have to enjoy the food. अच्छा, you know this, okay, this is something I really want to tell all the mothers. हम इतना बॉडी शेमिंग करते हैं अपने आप को शीशे में देख देख के। हमारी जो बेटियां हैं ना,
They learn.
वो क्या सोच के बड़ी हो रही हैं कि लाइफ वेइंग स्केल एंड हाउ वी आर लुकिंग के अराउंड ही है, या मम्मी हमेशा मेरी डाइट पे ही रहती है। आई एम टेलिंग यू, माई हार्ट इज सिंकिंग व्हेन आई एम टेलिंग यू दैट देयर आर किड्स हु फील कि हमारी मम्मास हमेशा ही डाइट पे रहती हैं, एंड दे फील गिल्टी व्हेन द चाइल्ड इज ईटिंग एंड द मदर से तुम मत खाओ, मोटी हो जाओगी मेरी तरह।
Imagine.
देयर आर लॉट ऑफ मदर्स हु आर ओवरवेट।
Unknowingly, they're actually giving that insecurity
Yes.
to
अब
their
फिर
child.
किस बात की इनर हीलिंग, किस बात की डाइट, और बाद में हम उनको क्या बोलते हैं, अभी ये डाइट करो। अच्छा, टिपिकल इंडियन सोसाइटी, वी आर स्टिल मॉडर्नाइज्ड।
हाँ.
शादी नहीं हो रही, बेटी मोटी है, इसको पतला करो। What are we doing?
It just
You know, okay, I'll tell you one very important takeaway. All the women out here, all the women should focus on gaining muscle and not just losing weight. You need to gain muscle to grow old. 90% cases of dementia and cancer have come not in the women who were overweight, but in the women who had less muscle mass.
right.
You need to build this muscle, which means you need to do some weight training. You need to eat good protein. You need to eat carbs also. Okay, if you will not eat carbs, you'll have brain fogs.
What is this brain fog? I
You
mean,
know-
I've heard this
Yeah.
term a lot. So, what is that?
सिमरन, ब्रेन फॉग ना ऐसा होता है कि काम करते करते आप एकदम खो गए,
Okay.
या एकदम से आगे से फ्लैश आउट हो गया, या आपको याद नहीं आ रहा है, आप बोलो अभी तो याद था, तो एकदम से ऐसा हो गया, एकदम हैवीनेस इन द हेड,
ओके,
एंड इट इज कमिंग अगेन एंड अगेन, एंड यू चलते चलते सल्किंग फीलिंग हो रही है.
that's a natural feeling I've heard from a lot of
एंड
females.
women are so busy multitasking कि वो इन चीज़ों को ना इग्नोर कर देते हैं.
हाँ, कि शायद it's
क्या
natural,
मतलब it's
भूल
natural.
गई होंगी
हाँ
कोई
मतलब
बात
वहाँ बहुत दिन से बॉडी के टाइम नहीं मिल रहा था
हाँ, तो इसलिए
सोचने
हो गया
का भी.
होगा.
हाँ बहुत दिन से ये चल रहा है, बट अच्छा हाँ, नाउ यू आर सेइंग आई शुड वर्क ऑन इट.
नहीं. Today we have actually learned so many things from Dr. Sonam. It was such an enlightening conversation with Dr. Sonam. हमारे बहुत सारे myth actually आपने जो बताया, इतनी सारी चीज़ें, मुझे ऐसा लगता है डॉक्टर सोनम की आज की जो कॉन्वर्सेशन है वो कई मेरे जैसी जो कॉर्पोरेट वुमेन हैं उनके बहुत सारे जो मिथ थे वो पूरे हुए हैं.
Correct.
सो थैंक यू सो मच डॉक्टर सोनम, एंड इसी के साथ हम साइन ऑफ करते हैं फॉर अनदर एक्साइटिंग एपिसोड इन लीडरशिप लाउंज विद सिमरन. थैंक यू सो मच.